The fastest road racer in the world will be staying with BMW for the 2025 Macau race, the 2025 BSB, and also, or BSB season, whatever you want to call it, and also the Iron Isle of Man TT. And I say the fastest road racer in the world because that's his uh, bio on his Instagram, and it's also true because he set the fastest lap record on the Isle of Man TT, and it's an absolutely insane thing that people race that. I absolutely love it. I hope it continues forever, but it's an absolute you've got to be mad to do it. And it's cool. It's cool. Obviously, this year didn't go all that great for him in BSB, but to stay on the team that I don't know, I don't want to say you're like used to, but you're, you know, competitive with and obviously has done very well with in both road racing and also road racing, I guess technically, track road racing and also like the Isle of Man TT road race. It's probably good for him. He had some quote that I read and it was like him saying that he's basically the let's see here. Hickman said, "I'm mega happy to be staying with the FHO racing team for another season. I'm practically part of the furniture now. We've not had an easy season this year with one thing and another, but the team and myself have never given up despite some really challenging times. All the boys and girls on the team work super hard, but racing is racing and sometimes it doesn't go the way we hope. This year, thanks to the team's hard work and dedication, we made progress." It's kind of funny, he's, I'm part of the furniture now. I think he's been there for 4 years now, something like that. And as this, he will be joined with Davey Todd for next year too. uh, but it's cool to see, like, I like Peter Hickman, everything I've ever seen from him, he seems like a pretty cool guy and incredibly fast. I mean, literally to put that kind of commitment onto a bike and go around the Isle of Man at, I think it was like 136 or something like that average, which is insane when you actually think about it. Um, to be averaging that speed on those kinds of roads, whew. And also, I think the BMWs are cool because they just shoot massive flames out the back of those bikes. But I don't know. You guys tell me. This is comments below. This is where I'm leaving it to you. Do you watch the Isle Man? Do you watch the Macau race? Do you watch BSB? Or do you have a favorite rider, somebody, a different team, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.